Let's see what is this stock notation. Stock notation is a representation of oxidation number of a metal in a compound in Roman numerals, right? So whenever you are representing oxidation number of a metal in a compound in Roman numerals, that representation we call it as stock notation, given after the name of the scientist, Stock, right? So here, why we represent in Roman numerals is because when you talk about the metals present in D block and the elements or the metals present in F block, they have a property we call, they show variable oxidation state. In different compounds, they can exhibit different oxidation states. Due to that reason, it becomes difficult to find out or consider same oxidation state in all compounds. Means they will not show the same oxidation state in all their compounds. Because of this variable oxidation state property, these elements of D block and F block will be having different oxidation states in different compounds. So looking at the formula, you will not be able to tell what is the oxidation number of that particular element, because they are not having any fixed oxidation state like alkali or alkaline earth metals. Say for example, if alkali metal is there, you will easily take their charge as 1. Alkaline earth metal is there, you will directly take their charge as 2. Whereas when you talk about metals belonging to D block and F block, you can't directly take their charge as fixed. You have to calculate and check what is the oxidation state shown by that element in that compound, right? So for that reason, looking at the formula, if you come to know what is the charge possessed by that particular metal, it will become easy. So that thing we are going to do here by expressing the oxidation state in Roman numerals, and that representation we call it as stock notation, right? Let's see some examples. Using stock notation, represent the following compounds. So here one example they have given, HAuCl4, hydrogen auric chloride. So here, looking at the formula, you will not be able to tell what is the oxidation number or oxidation state of this gold, right? Because it is not mentioned in any of the rules we use for calculating oxidation number. So you need to calculate and find out what is oxidation number of this gold, and you have to represent in stock notation form. When you represent, directly looking at the representation only, you will be able to tell what is oxidation number of this gold, right? Let's see how to write the stock notation for this. First you have to calculate what is its oxidation number. So you have to take this gold as X, right? Say hydrogen, always its oxidation number is 1, plus gold, what we take it as here, X, plus 4 chloride are there, chloride charge will be -1, equal to 0. So 1 plus X minus 4 equal to 0. So 1 minus 4 is -3. Shift to the right side, it will become +3. So X is equal to +3. So oxidation state of gold in this compound is +3. So when you write its stock notation, we write it as HAu, in small bracket you have to mention Roman number 3, like this. This is a general formula what we write, general method, whereas this method we call it as stock notation method. Looking at the formula only, you will be able to tell what is the oxidation number of gold. What is the oxidation number of gold? It is 3, right? When you are writing in full form also, like the name of this compound also, you will be writing hydrogen auric 3 chloride or hydrogen gold 3 chloride. Okay, next example, thallium oxide, right? Thallium oxide. So you need to find out what is oxidation state of this thallium. So X has to be taken. There are 2 thallium atoms. We will be taking 2X plus 1 oxygen is there. Oxygen charge is always -2, equal to 0. 2x minus 2 you take on the other side, it will become equal to 2, and x will be equal to 2 divided by 2, that is equal to 1. So oxidation state of thallium in this compound is +1, right? How you write its stock notation? We will be writing thallium Roman number 1 O. This is the stock notation form for this compound, right? 1 mark के लिए क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं, राइट द स्टॉक नोटेशन ऑफ दिस गिवन कंपाउंड बोल के. ओके, FeO, iron oxidation state can be +2 or +3. Let's see what is oxidation state over here. Iron will be taken as X plus oxygen -2 equal to 0. X will be equal to -2, you take on the other side, it will become +2. So X is equal to 2. So we can write its stock notation form like this: Fe Roman number 2 O. Okay. Next example, Fe2O3. Fe2O3 is there. So iron oxidation state you need to calculate. You have to take it as 2x, as there are 2 iron atoms, plus oxygen 3 into -2, that is equal to 0. So 2x minus 6 equal to 0. 2x will be equal to 6 and x will be equal to 6 by 3, that is equal to 6 by 2, that is equal to 3. Oxidation state is +3, right? So iron in this compound has oxidation state as +3. So how you are going to write the stock notation is, write the formula Fe2, mention the oxidation state in Roman number 3 O3. ओके, सिर्फ स्लाइड चेंज है, आपको ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट ब्रैकेट में रोमन न्यूमरल्स में मेंशन करना है, उसको हम स्टॉक नोटेशन बोलेंगे. ओके, इस कंपाउंड को भी आप बोल सकते हैं, जनरली तो हम बोलते हैं फेरिक ऑक्साइड, या फिर आप जनरल फॉर्म में और एक मेथड में क्या बोलेंगे, आयरन 3 ऑक्साइड. यू कैन ऑल्सो कॉल इट एज आयरन 3 ऑक्साइड. क्यूप्रिक आयोडाइड, कॉमनली हम बोलते हैं क्यूप्रिक आयोडाइड. देखेंगे अब इसका और नेम या फॉर्मूला क्या हो सकता है. कॉपर कैलकुलेट करो ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट. कॉपर इज टेकन एज X प्लस आयोडाइड इज देयर हैलोजन. हैलोजन का चार्ज होता है -1 इक्वल टू 0. सो X विल बी इक्वल टू 1. सो व्हाट विल बी इट्स स्टॉक नोटेशन? यू विल बी राइटिंग Cu रोमन नंबर 1 I, copper 1 iodide. It is nothing but copper 1 iodide, right? Copper 1 iodide. Okay, here also you can write iron 3, second word will be oxide. Let's see here again, copper will be taken as X plus oxygen is there, oxygen charge is always -2 equal to 0. X equal to 2, right? So the stock notation becomes what? Cu Roman number 2 oxide O, right? CuO. Copper 2 oxide, we write it as copper 2 oxide. Same way here, manganese X plus oxygen -2 charge equal to 0. X is equal to 2. What will be the stock notation? Mn Roman number 2 oxygen oxide. Okay, and here last one, manganese oxidation state you need to calculate. X plus 2 oxygen are there. 2 into -2, that is equal to 0. So X minus 4 equal to 0. X is equal to 4, right? So now you can check these compounds itself. Here copper is 1, here copper is 2, means they exhibit different oxidation state in different compounds. In previous case iron was 2, here iron is 3, and here manganese is 2, here manganese is 4. Manganese is the element which can show oxidation state from +2 to maximum +7, right? So due to that reason, it becomes very essential or requirement to mention stock notations, so that you will be coming to know what is the oxidation state possessed by that particular element in that compound. Otherwise we can't take same oxidation state of this manganese in all compounds. Here it is +2 and here you are getting it as +4. So we write manganese here as Mn Roman number 4 O2, right? This is the oxidation stock notation for manganese dioxide, right? So this is the way you have to represent the compounds in the stock notation form. Okay, अगर इसका नेम भी लिखना है तो क्या लिखेंगे आप? मैंगनीज लिखेंगे, मैंगनीज रोमन नंबर 4 लिखेंगे और लास्ट में सेकेंड वर्ड जो आएगा ऑक्साइड आएगा, राइट? यहाँ पे मैंगनीज 2 ऑक्साइड, यहाँ पे मैंगनीज 4 ऑक्साइड, राइट?